What's up, Jocko? Izana, Casper. What are these little stars? Community leaderboard. There's a community leaderboard now? That's actually amazing. How we doing? One viewer? What is this? I don't like that. We falling off that hard? Caught an amazing trade yesterday, so we better run it up today. Better see some people. What's up, Legacy? Everyone, let's run it up. One viewer, what the fuck is this? Got me crashing out. There we go. What's up, everyone? Jocko, cells are looking absolutely beautiful. Oh no, I just opened my mail. Cells are looking beautiful, guys. I mean, absolutely fucking beautiful. We'll go over them right now, don't worry. You're the only viewer, Will. I appreciate that. Thankfully, other people joined up, but I appreciate that. Looking like TP2 to 3 if we sell. Yeah, if we sell here, guys, I'm liking Jared a little bit better. If we sell here, I'm definitely looking to push pretty far down. Stops would be here, at least for now. Obviously, we're waiting for London Open, so we're not gonna jump into anything off the bat. We'll kind of see how price plays, but if you see and we go up to higher time frames here, let's actually go through it together. I haven't looked at the higher time frames. I'm just already liking the lower time frames. You can see price already created that top wick, sweeping daily highs yesterday on UK 100, which is very beautiful for sells. We could top wick there and continue to dump from there. Checking DAX, same thing, top wick. One thing that I really like too is DAX did not have a bottom wick, meaning, and again, majority of the time when price doesn't create a bottom wick, price will end up coming back down, creating that bottom wick, and either selling off or coming back up. But all we care about is us creating that bottom wick, because in the process of that means we're obviously going to sell off, fill in this gap, and we can look to capitalize, obviously, on the 5-minute down to these levels, right? So I like DAX a little bit better. They're both looking very good, but we'll see what happens. So I like this little chat thing, little stars. I mean, the crayons, whatever it is. But again, guys, I'm not saying buys don't look good here, guys, but super hesitant because we have got a pretty good amount of liquidity, and I don't think we pulled back enough to consider it. Yeah, we haven't. So again, a couple confluences going our way. Price were to buy up here, I may be fine sitting out of it, just because I really don't like it. And again, like, I know some people are going to say, oh, you got to play what price is giving you, but in this case, I feel like I would rather see buys here, and manipulate some type of liquidity, rather than just shoot here, because again, I feel like if we would just take more liquidity, but we'll see. Again, we'll see. I don't think I'm looking for anything on GJ or anything. I did not somewhat miss the trade, but kinda, I guess. Could be looking for a pullback here, eventually, once price creates some form of structure. For GA, so GA right now, we're in this 4-hour leg. We've just facilitated this pullback, meaning we can now buy up, but doesn't mean we're going to have to, especially being we have some pretty good areas of imbalance down here. It's probably why we had a reaction off of this and are continuing to sell. Nothing that I would have hopped in on, but as we continue to push down, once we get a flip back to the upside, so once we break some form of strong structure, we can look to capitalize on that move back up. But other than that, Forex is kind of slow. Same thing with Euro. Let's see, Euro reacting. I mean, you could really play this pullback here, but you'd have to wait for some pretty good confirmation, like a break of this high, and then you can pull back down like that. Tap that button. Yes, guys, tap that like button. What's up, Mali? How we doing? How was this morning's stream, guys, with Luca? It was popping this morning. You trade New York session? Did I trade New York session? No. If The only trading I do during New York session, the reason I put quotation marks is like because it's not like the type of trading you may be thinking of where I get up and look at the charts. It's more like if I have limit set and it happens to enter me in during New York, then I guess that's technically considered trading during New York. But like, no, I only do this at London at night. Um, and then Forex is kind of like throughout the day type of thing. What pairs? As far as pairs, it's just GA, GJ, and EU indices. Um, we have UK 100. I mean DAX and FTSE. So I trade them completely different. Completely different. I mean, there's some of the same, like the couple of the same factors that you may see, but again, that's just regular price action. But when it comes to like pairs, strictly supply and demand on the higher time frames, like 15, 30-minute, more like intraday moves, where I'm trading 2 to 3 times a week. But this month of May, honestly, I've taken one trade this month, no, 2 trades this month, which hasn't been too bad. But again, like very small returns as far as percentage wise and profits wise for supply and demand. That's why I've kind of been throwing it into season. It's really been, killing it. So again, it's also fun too. Caught buys on DAX yesterday. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, we did. I did catch buys on DAX. Caught buys on UK 100. Did eventually get tapped out on UK 100, guys. I forget where it was at. So we ended up getting tapped here. I break even, and then price ended up dumping. So it's kind of a good call moving to break even. But we did still back out. We trade supply and demand. That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, but supply and demand's been a little bit slow. Again, at least on the time frames I like to trade it on, or at least how I like to trade it. I really need to see multiple time frames line up together to really give me a good conviction that price should, move in a certain direction. But when I say it's slow, like there's opportunity, but a lot of times you'll see price run without you. Where I mean we don't get entered in. And overall higher time frame buy still plays out. It's not that I don't like trading US 30 now. I mean, okay. Have you not seen NASDAQ for like the last 3 weeks? Been chopped, been horrible. It just, I don't know. I like how London moves a little bit more for some reason. And I think the biggest thing too is waking up. Like I have the ability since my Forex trading is like kind of throughout the day or limits. I set a lot of limits. I can just trade at night, sleep till about 10, wake up. About like 8 or 9, sometimes 10. Wake up, do what I have to do, hop in any meetings or mentorship calls, check Forex, check the charts, and then do it all over again, stream at night. Where's Luca himself? Luca himself, I don't know. He's probably watching stream right now. Which broker do you use? I use NiicksFX. Piece of me, piece of mine. Here, I usually always put it, but there, I'll pin it. Yeah, US 30. I mean, I've actually never really traded too much US 30, like maybe like once or twice, but mostly NASDAQ. Mostly NASDAQ. You guys know we hopped in 2 trades yesterday. We might do the same thing today if we get the same reaction. I'd want to see price continue to stutter here at this level though and not break out, but US 30 is not for kids. This guy. US 30 is kind of crazy. But I mean, NASDAQ's kind of similar, so. But they've kind of been chopped. I don't know. I've kind of seen it. A lot of people have been seeing it. all around just chopped. We got 5 minutes, guys. Again, we have a lot of liquidity that's been swept all throughout here. Really just looking for price to melt at this open. It would be nice to see another liquidity sweep like real quick. Doesn't need to happen for me to still have good conviction, but stops are going to be pretty high in this case just because it really depends on where candle prints last, and really just playing the safest TP. Probably ready, huh? Yeah. Cartoony, what's up, bro? I was actually just about to ask where's Cartoony at. He like went into hiding or something. How are you, brother? Sorry you're late arrival. I am great, man. I am great. I'm alive, so I'm great. I'm a cartoony with the uncle. Yep, I guess I'm unk. I got that unk status. Unk status. You know, just reading about how Israel owns the United States. What the fuck? Where'd you hear that? So I have a feeling we're going to get the same reaction. We're just going to get a dump, but I'm probably going to get in DAX before I get in UK 100. And if I have time and I'm still able to get in UK 100 with pretty good, at a pretty good time, then I'll shoot. But how do you feel coming live daily and show your setups? At first I was like, it was a bit weird. But nah, like again, like I already teach in Lucas mentorship, so I already kind of had an idea of what it's like teaching and talking to people. But yeah, it's cool. Again, I love relaying information that I found useful, especially like supply and demand. Like we can really dive deep in supply and demand. That's really where I shine as far as like having a better understanding, and more like overall have more experience with it. But yeah, but I love helping people. I love seeing people like again, a lot of people in mentorship have been seeing a lot of great results, and I just love seeing that. Makes me happy. Like they'll message me and just send me a bunch of crazy numbers. Some people, I think 2 people got funny yesterday. Crazy. And we're seeing that reaction, that sell on UK 100, which again, I don't like that it's selling a couple, like again, a minute beforehand. Gives me good idea for Jerish. Tells me that DAX should sell off too. What's up, RV? Again. I mean, you guys could get in UK 100. You could catch a really quick push. You could have already gotten in with really tight stops here, not gonna lie. I probably should have gotten in with a really quick move. Kind of waiting for that longer one, which could end up getting chopped, but I really wanted to wait for London Open here. London Open could end up pushing it. So, but we could end up flipping at the same time. I'm getting in once price surpasses these lows here, guys. You would already be out on UK 100. Pretty crazy. UK 100 might have been the move, guys. But I think if UK 100 again is dropping or selling off, we should see the same thing on DAX. We'll just have to play a little bit more patient. So, but I'm entering as soon as we push lower. I'm shooting. Got a big gap here, guys. It's a big confluence, big gap. Big gap. And we have Asia low sitting down here. So a lot of liquidity, right? UK 100 still going strong. You technically not out yet. I mean, 1-to-1, yeah, you would be out. But that's like perfect, no spread, no nothing, you know. Guys, you can should have hopped in both. It's fine. DAX is looking beautiful. Yeah, guys, DAX is looking good. I think just played a little bit patient. We're still gonna get that sell off, I believe. But just this is DAX. This here is DAX, JER 30. You type in JER 30. The one that already kind of took off is UK 100. This was beautiful, guys. Again, we're sweeping Asia lows here, so we're gonna possibly see a reaction. But I think price is bound to continue to drop here on both. We're really just waiting for that push there. I have sell stops just placed, just waiting to go as soon as we cross that area, but we haven't yet. Not necessarily press feeding into UK 100, but I wish UK 100 wouldn't have sold off so fast, because if it didn't sell off before and pre-London open, I would have been able to set a sell stop and been more comfortable doing that rather than seeing it sell beforehand. Again, because we've seen instances where price kind of starts selling off beforehand and we see a total flip. So we'll see. About to be in. I'm not in yet. Now sales are looking goated. Yeah, sales are looking fire. I'm in, guys. I am in for sales. We'll see what happens, guys. UK 100 is looking strong. I don't like how we've already sold off quite a bit, but I'm expecting price to continue to tank here, hopefully throughout this session. So we'll see what happens. We're going for a quick 101. Probably definitely going to end up waiting at like 5 to 10 minutes unless price really does get a lot of volume being thrown into the market. But these are looking beautiful, guys. Textbook type of trade right here, especially the UK 100 in confluence with us. Wow. I want to say this is also a 2-banger night. Kind of called this. I didn't take this personally. Pretty sure my boy Jocko got in this though. Pretty sure he did. So, and we're about to make some money with this too. So we'll see. Jocko, he did get in it. You sneaky bastard. Why didn't you spam chat and say peep UK 100 pre-London sell off? Could have hit me with that. I just hope price isn't exhausted, but I don't think it is. Wow, I'm so mad it sold pre-London. So mad, but as long as we still make something, I mean, I guess it's not a bad thing. Just watch the DAX run it up. Bro's taking my advice, trading while high is meta. Shut up. You know, cartoony, before I hit it and everything, I thought about what you said yesterday, and I was like, he's gonna mention something. No, it's not the case. Gosh. Nah. But these are looking fine. Who took UK 100? I want to know. Besides Jocko, who took UK 100? I feel like someone had to have. Someone had to have. Let's get Ness. Lights on me. I'm gonna start saying, screw Luca. We're gonna start getting copyright strikes for fucking Low Baby on stream. Sales are looking good for Nas. I took UK. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Love that mark. See, told you guys. I knew a couple people took this banger trade. Again, even though I didn't take this is a good data point too, because I can't say I haven't entered pre-London, but I haven't done it in a while, because I've just kind of been liking entering right at London, especially when I see a break, kind of how like we did with DAX over here. But as you can see, we did sell off pre-London here, didn't get in. Could be good data going forward that if we do see that push starting to happen pre-London, we have a pretty overall good bias. And what I mean is we have a pretty good conviction that price is going to come down, either sweep some type of session liquidity, fill in some type of imbalance, or come into some discount area. You know, in this case, we had all three. So it was a pretty good idea that price was going to push down, I'd say. So maybe next time we'll consider getting in pre-London, in this case, to not miss out on trades like this. But again, this is where data comes in, because this could just be a one-time occurrence where the next 3-4 times where price does take off pre-London, it could be a fake out and it could be losers, you know. So kind of want to say that because I mean, it gives you an idea that you guys need to be tracking everything. If you take a trade, if you don't take a trade, because you never know what really is affecting you, what's not. But DAX needs to hurry and melt, guys. Taking its sweet ass time. We want the bath test session, not the smoking sessions. Guys, I was supposed to announce it. Should we do it Friday? I'm sorry, guys. I'm not putting it off. Don't get me wrong. I want to do it with you guys, but I just want to announce it, and I've just been busy. So that's why. Friday? I think Friday's better for everyone, if I'm not wrong. Oh, if you guys, by the way, not bro, Friday night, I'm having a cookout with the guys. Extended just for me. Nah, might have to be Friday night. Might have to be Friday night, my guy. Hookah session back test. Hell yeah, that sounds fire as fuck. That sounds fire. I'm gonna go buy a hookah. Might convince me. That message may convince me. It's not hard to convince me to do shit like that. That sounds fire. Guys. That's sent correctly. Guys, that's my Instagram. I think we already did it. Fuck. There was no point of me sending it. Okay, so yesterday, yo, what's up, bro? Everything's going good. How are you doing? We're running up a bag right now. Ran up a bag on or at least I didn't run up a bag, but a bunch of people ran up a bag. Beautiful trade here. Beautiful trade here. We're about to hit TP, about to go crazy, and have a W night. But if you guys get the stream to 20 likes, we'll do a giveaway. The reason that it says special funded account giveaway question mark is because we have to see if we can get to 20 likes. There's 44 of you. You guys can't get to 20 likes. Come on. So, like up the streams, get to 20 likes. I want to give away a funded account, because why not? We're about to win here. Unless we get wicked like up the ass, but I don't think that's the case. As you can see, UK 100's selling off. We should see the same reaction, but the one thing I'm scared of is price exhausting and seeing a pullback on UK 100. So back-to-back dubs, nice. Rice Ninja, this happens quite often. We just kind of course, as soon as we did the challenge, we got fucked. Jamal type of dude. Trade crips on weekends. Cartoony, gosh. Nah, guys, don't jinx it, because I mean, price could totally just flip back up here. But Again, we still have a massive gap to fill. One thing is we got to pay attention to is we are coming into an area of discount now, right? So meaning that price could in theory flip from here and totally just fly back up, but because we have a lot more balance, because we have a session lows down here, we could say price should continue to sell off. At this point, I would want to move the stops to break even. I think I might. But my one thing is we could top wick up here to fill in any gaps and then still continue to sell. And at that point, it's like we may get taken out of break even. Or we push down like that. All right, guys, stops are at break even for me. Stops are break even. We're running up a fucking bag right now. Oh my god. Usually I don't get pressed, but like, what the fuck is that? Basically a 3R at this point. Jocko was right. Was running to a TP1 or 2. 2 or 3, I think he said. Hi, now you got FOMO. It's not FOMO because I don't think it'd be FOMO. But I'm just pressed because, again, if price went into sold off so early, I would have been able to set a sell stop and but I just didn't want to enter pre. Just wasn't calling my name. Guys, as soon as I run up this 1-1, I'm out. Outie. I got a really good entry, so I may actually be out soon. Oh, I might start edging stop loss. Yeah, guys, I'm out. W. Fucking W's. Fucking W. Piece of me. Big ups. Big ups. I'm actually not out. I'm edging stop loss. My stop loss, I kid you not, is like right there. I'm edging stop loss and letting it run. And if we get taken out, it's still 1-1 for me. I got a really, really good entry. Like really, really good. So, but I mean, if we continue to dump, which again we might, we still have a lot of imbalance sitting down here. We still have session liquidity sitting down here. And again, look at that. Still running. What the fuck? UK won crazy. 4 dubs back to back. I called, guys. You could have made upwards of $4,000 depending on when you exited, and depending on how big your account is. I'm getting out. I'm out, guys. Fire, banger. I know I'm the best cartoony. All right, guys, good night. Logging off. Nah, W night again. Appreciate all of you guys being here. Again, 3 more likes and I'll give away an account. Like, come on. We just fucking called 4% right now. Possibly even more. Up 3% over here. 1% here. Killer. Let's shut down. Honestly, price is going to continue to drop, guys. Pro Bro, good night. You have a great night. Nice seeing you. Jiwoo, you're a newbie. That's fine. Don't worry. Good night, bro. Need more viewers. I do need more viewers. I know. I'm killing it. First night here, and it was a win. Exactly, Stephanie. Last night was a win too. Called 2 wins last night, actually. 2 wins last night. It was pretty wild as well. Again, another 2 wins here. But Guys, I think we have to do a giveaway because we hit the like goal. Just got entered and it's about to end. Jiwoo, be careful if you just entered right now, man. I mean, I'm not saying price can't continue to dump, and it most likely will. We have pretty good conviction that price should come down to at least this area here. But again, price is going to get exhausted at some point, and we could see a minor pullback before price does continue to drop. So keep that in mind. But at least for like DAX here, I'm thinking we're gonna continue to drop and make a bottom wick here because we did not have that bottom wick previous to this open. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. You just enter stream. Yeah, sorry. We enter right at London. So no matter what, as long as you're here by 12, you should be good. I like to wait, if anything, sometimes 5 minutes pre-London, but you know. W41, yeah. W's. We'll do W's in chat in a bit. Let's get this giveaway ready. If you guys don't know already, let's go over to Luca's Discord. I'm going to make sure I'm not exposing anything. Copy. All right, guys. So join this Discord if you're not already in it. It's Luca's Discord. You're going to join it. You're going to scroll down to the giveaway section. If you can't see the giveaway section, all you do is go to the account or right click it, go down to show all channels, make sure it's on. Go to giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway here. Giveaway, that's the wrong one. Slash create. Is it this one? Account. Perfect. All right, guys, should we give it 5 minutes? I think so, huh? Guys, DAX is still dumping. What the fuck? 5 minutes or 10 minutes? Should we meet in the middle? How long? 5. All right. 10K. 10. Can't type all of a sudden. All right. You guys ready? Did I do it right? Fuck. Didn't. Always do it, bro. Always do that. Don't trip. Gotta type everything out perfectly. All right. There we go. So if you don't know what to do, go ahead. Damn, what the fuck? Go and click. I didn't expect people to click that fast, but go and click the gift button. It'll enter you in. You guys have 5 minutes to enter in. My mouth got so dry. Wow. So let's give this account away, guys. That's again, all 39 of you in here should be entered in. You got 5 minutes, so make sure you mark up charts before you enter the giveaway. Wait, what? Make sure you mark up the charts before you enter the giveaway. What do you mean? What do you mean? What's different? The Discord link? Do you need me to reinvite? Oh, no. Oh, okay. That's a link. Hop in there. Bro, did you order the same perk? Shut the fuck up, Cartoony. Holy Lord Jesus. If you guys don't know, Cartoony likes to playfully talk shit, so don't take it serious and leave, because I'm pretty sure he's lost me a couple viewers. But I don't care. Bro's funny. Bro keeps me entertained sometimes, so why not? Again, if you guys just joined up, go join. There's only 18 people and there's 40 of you. We're doing an account giveaway, so go in there real quick. Join or spam the link in chat. Again, you can join the Discord, go down to the giveaway section, press the gift. It'll enter you in. Let's run it up. It'll be a 10K account, funded account. So again, I want you guys to have it. Type shit. And then after, I have my own Discord where actually maybe I'll set up a bot like this too, in my Discord to kind of run things up. But again, I post all my trade ideas in there. As far as like on stream, obviously I do that with you guys on stream, but I trade Forex as well. Kind of been slow, but still catching dubs this month, still up. I think 1 or 2%. Again, not a lot, only taking 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss, but been killing it here. So can't be mad. Again, good exit, I'd say, because I'm expecting price to exhaust at some point, have a minor pullback, fill in some of these gaps before it pushes down. You should install that bot on your Discord. Yeah, I will install it on my Discord probably tomorrow. I got to get some of their stuff done tonight. And then, can you break down NAS real quick? Yeah. Like when it comes to NAS, and because how I trade indices, I don't like breaking it down during London, but if I could say, I'd probably say price is gonna look to manipulate Tokyo lows and probably come down and fill in a lot of this imbalance. So you could be looking for sales here, especially because we're not at all-time highs, but we are pretty close to all-time highs. So I'm expecting price to maybe even create we have a bottom wick as well. So I think we're gonna have a minor pullback. I'm not saying it's gonna be massive. We could just come down, sweep lows, fill in some imbalance, and then depending on how London looks, then I would really base my New York trading off London, because let's say London makes this type of range where we come down, sweep Tokyo lows. Let's say we like do some chop within here, come down, sweep this. Then during New York, I could expect price to possibly come up and manipulate London highs, even Tokyo, and then possibly sell off because we are pretty overextended. But again, it's NASDAQ, so we can just buy up from there. But again, like really, depending on what time you're trading it, let London play out. If you're trading it during New York, 40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds. Let's see. 20. There's 20 of you guys missing out on a free account. Do you not trade? If you don't, you're missing out. A lot of people just made money right now. Just saying. All right, guys. 20 seconds. What do you guys think it's going to be? Who do we eliminate? If it's Jocko, he doesn't get it. I like picking on Jocko. Twitch Deli P. I'm about to hear a lot of bullshit in chat right now. And what I mean by that is Cartoony is going to be pressed. Cartoony one day. So Twitch, go ahead and you can go over to like announcements. You'll see my name quite everywhere. I don't know where to go, LOL. Well, is that you? So if that's you, we'll go over to like announcements or somewhere in like the chat room. You'll see my name, press my name, shoot me a DM. I'll see your DM from there. We'll kind of talk in again. We'll talk in the DMs and we'll kind of go back and forth as far as what you need to do and what you need to send me, and then I'll send it over to you. So again, guys, like what the fuck, beautiful trades today. I hope you guys made some money. Like I really did. I did on DAX. We really missed out on UK 100. At least I did. I know a couple people still went crazy. Oh yeah, Deli P, go ahead and send it over to me. Send me a message. But again, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, what's tomorrow? Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. We'll end the week most likely with another W. Went absolutely crazy yesterday. 2 wins today. That's 4 wins. So let's keep running it up. I mean, honestly. So maybe we'll see another giveaway tomorrow. Maybe not. Depends on how many likes we get. We keep running it up. Again, I'm just going to give back to you guys because why not? But if you guys can throw W's in chat, that'd be awesome because you guys are amazing. Let me first invite you guys to my Discord. So don't yet throw up those W's. If you guys want to join my Discord, it's there. It's totally free. Just got a cool community in there. Quite a bit of people. So throw those W's up. You guys are amazing. I appreciate all of you. Let's kill it tomorrow. So peace out.